about to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see the world in action, what we can be like with no.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for coming by and clicking on today's video. Today is going to be a get it done with me video for motivation for you to tackle your to-do list, because boy, do I have a to-do list today. This video is brought to you in partnership with Skillshare, and I've worked with them so many times in the past, so if you are not new to my channel, you've heard about Skillshare before, but I took a really awesome class in preparation for this video that I feel like would be very helpful for you guys. If any of you struggle with completing to-do lists, some people are great about making them. Executing and completing them is a different ball game. So I took that class to be able to share it with you guys, and so will share what class that was for to-do list motivation here shortly. But today we are going to tackle a ton of things. Sometimes when I film these get it done with me videos, you guys actually give me motivation because I know I'm filming, and so I want to complete everything on my list. So I am going to show you guys what my to-do list entails and kind of go over everything and show you what I need to accomplish today. It is 8:30, and as you saw, I've already done quite a few things, so I will go through all of that as well. You guys, so here is what we are working with today. I've literally filled up the entire paper, and I get asked every time I do these videos. I've been using this pad like it's almost gone, so I'll have a new to-do list pad coming soon. But I do need to, let's start at the top. This is in no order, so this is just everything that I need to accomplish today. I need to clean the bathroom. I need to print out dog sitter instructions. I need to do school with the kiddos. I need to work out. I need to mop the floors. I need to set up my tea time table for tomorrow. I need to bake some cookies. I need to update the family pictures in our living room. I printed out our new pictures we took at the beach this summer, and I need to change out the frames or the prints inside the frames. Two of my kids have practices. I have to attend a parent meeting, hopefully for some good news for travel for soccer. I need to go to Costco and grab just a few items. I also need to go to our storage facility and drop off all the washed linen from our trailer. We just got back from a trip, and I didn't have time to do all the laundry before we returned it, so I've washed all of that, and I need to go and return it. And of course, I need to film this for you guys. So, full to-do list. It is 8:30 on the dot right now, and to start off this video, I am going to check off some things I have already done. I didn't write down like my everyday stuff, making my bed, getting dinner started. I didn't write any of that down. But I've done quite a few things. So I've already worked out. I am filming, and I am getting ready to start school with the kids. Now, school is obviously my most important task of the day, so all of these other things will have to happen after I am done with school with the kids, and so I am hopeful that I'll be able to complete this entire to-do list. So let me know down in the comments if you think I can do it. Give me a thumbs up if you like motivation videos, and go ahead and make your to-do list if you have things to do, and then come back and unpause it, and we can get things done together. Okay, so now I've shown you guys what is on my to-do list for today, so I want to share with you a class I took on Skillshare. If you guys don't know what Skillshare is an online teaching platform. They have thousands of classes ranging from lifestyle content down to business content. The last class I took I really enjoyed, and that was just how to price your work as a freelancer. So I enjoy Skillshare because it's very organized. It's very it's a teaching platform. It doesn't feel like social media, if that makes sense, because I've gotten questions on in the past about why I like it. So you can go on there and search anything from creativity, photography, painting, hand lettering, the list goes on and on. But the class that I want to share with you today, and I have her name right here because I don't want to miss speak, is by Vanessa Loader. It was under the productivity tab on Skillshare, and it is called the 5 best to-do list tips. And the question she asks is, do you struggle with completing your to-do list? So when I was going to film this video, I knew, okay, that's great, because not everybody is great about getting their to-do list done. So I went ahead and watched her class, and I really enjoyed it. The segments are nice and short, just little pieces, and she has some really awesome tips and practicality. One she really was so like right on the money with was the brain dump, and that's when you have so much in your head, you get it all out, it actually helps you be more efficient. So anyways, I would highly encourage you guys to check out Skillshare using my link down in the description box. You can get 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free when you use that link, and you can go and check out Vanessa's class on Skillshare, because I think it'll really help you if you struggle to get your to-do list done. Even with the best intentions, sometimes it can be tough. So I really, really enjoyed her class. So now, like I said, my most important thing of the day is getting schoolwork done with my kids. So I'm going to call them to our table. We have some additional fun activities this morning, so I know it's going to take a little bit longer than it usually does, because I've planned fun things. And so we are going to sit down and do our group subjects, and I will check in with you guys when I am done with that, because that is my first priority always, and everything else has to fall around it.
Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing.
Okay, so time check-in, you guys. It's about noon. I'm gonna make lunch. The kids are wrapping up school for the day, and I already am on to the next task, which was to make the funfetti cake mix cookies, and I have my helper. So I've never used the cake mix to make the cookies, but supposedly they're really good, and we are heading up to the cabin with our friends this weekend, so we want to have a treat to have. And so I've had this in my pantry, and I figured why not use it. So you just need the cake mix, 2 eggs, I'm doubling it up, and a 1/3 cup of oil. The batter's thick, and it says it should be, and you want to bake them at 375 just for, I'm gonna do 350 actually, now that I mentioned that to you guys. 350 till the edges are golden brown, and they will spread out, so make sure you don't overload your pan. So gonna make the cookies now. That was next on my to-do list.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
So 1:20 now, and a little update on what I've got done so far. Let's go through the list here. I have got out everything for my tea time table. We made the cookies. I updated the family pictures, although I forgot some, so I need to order more prints. And so now I'm gonna move on to cleaning the bathrooms. and then I will do the floors after that. But of course, on Get It Done With Me videos, that doesn't neglect like normal dishes, so I need to handle that as well. But here's all the tea time stuff. Tomorrow is October 1st, and so we are having a Halloween themed tea time. So I've got out all my little stuff, Harvest Blend tea, some JoJo's, just decor to make the table fun, plates, cups, dinner still cooking. Here's how the cookies turned out, the Funfetti cookies. They are delicious. I definitely tried one. And so I'm gonna put those in the refrigerator, tackle these dishes, and then I am going to start cleaning bathrooms. I am gonna have to leave here in about 2.5 hours, so I'm gonna really have to haul it to get this done, but I'm determined. So here we go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand.
Phew, that is what I call cardio cleaning. I was literally winded and sweating, and I'm fairly confident that I burned a lot of calories doing that mopping. But time check-in, it's 3:17 now, and I have one more thing on my to-do list that I wanted to get done before I had to leave at 4 o'clock. So I have about 45 minutes to get the last thing done, and that is typing up the dog care instructions for our pet sitter. We've never left all 4 of them at one time. Since we got Walter last year in December, because when we got Walter for the first time, we started seeing some food aggression in Dorothy, and I think I've shared about that before with you guys, but Dorothy loves Walter. They are like very bonded and they love each other, but she is food aggressive for whatever reason, and so because of that, we had some traumatizing experiences. I just haven't felt comfortable leaving all 4 of them with our pet sitter, even though she's wonderful and totally capable. It's just been kind of, that is so creepy. It's just been the baby behind me. It's just been something that we haven't done yet. Now he's over 1 year old. We have a good routine. I think everything's gonna be fine. I'm very confident everything will be fine, but I do need to type up new dog instructions. So I've got 45 minutes to get that done, and I cannot believe that I got almost all of this done, you guys. Like, this list was beyond. The rest of the stuff is practices, the parent meeting, and heading to Costco and the trailer drop off, which I have some more stuff that I had to replenish from our last trip, toilet paper, paper bowls, that kind of thing. So anyways, I'm gonna quit talking because I gotta get these instructions typed up, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make it. And my husband is always impressed at my ability to time things. Let me know down in the comments if any of your husbands call you like the master of time. I always have just enough time for everything I plan, and I really think it's a talent. All right, guys, guys, it is 5:45 and one practice has been checked off the list, as well as the trip to the trailer. I got the stuff in there as you guys saw and got what I needed out of it. So we are home now to have dinner as a family before I leave again for my parent meeting and soccer practice. And then that will summarize this day. I hope to make it to Costco while she's at practice. I don't know if that's gonna happen. But anyways, that'll summarize my to-do list day. So I'm gonna go in, serve up dinner, and check off those last few items on the to-do list. Alright, you guys, time check-in. It is 8:10. Come on, camera. There we go. 8:10. And I just went out of Trader Joe's. Unfortunately, after my parent meeting, I didn't have time to go to Costco to get the items I needed, so I had to make do with what was nearby. So I just went to Trader Joe's and got the few items that we need for the weekend cabin trip that we're taking, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna do a Sam's Club pickup for a few small things that I just could not bring myself to pay Trader Joe's prices for. Things like blueberries. Like, we will eat their whole carton of $7 blueberries in one sitting. So those things I just I can't get there. But anyways, I'm going to end today's Get It Done With Me video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a lot of motivation. This was an entire day of work and effort, and I am pooped. So I'm going to go home and go to bed. Be sure to check out Skillshare, you guys. They will help you. That class will help you if you lack in completing to-do lists. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy productive Get It Done videos. Let me know if you got your to-do list done. Let me know if you had a to-do list and how far you got if you didn't get it done. And I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.